This is how to get from Cardiff Central to St David's College. When choosing your train, you want to aim to be in Cardiff somewhere between 8:10 and 8:20. This will give you enough time to get your bus to St David's College. You can visit websites like Trainline or the Transport for Wales website to find the train times from Pontypool to Cardiff Central. For the first few journeys, it may be worth catching an earlier train to give yourself more time to be able to find your way around. When coming out of Cardiff Central, you'll notice the BBC Wales building in front of you. You're going to turn right and you're going to keep walking down that road. This is how to get from Cardiff Central to the bus stop that has the 57 or 58 bus. The bus stop to get on the bus is called Wyndham Arcade. The bus stop to get off at is called Bronwydd Avenue. This is just around the corner from Teagwyn Road, the road with St David's College on. You'll see plenty of students making this journey alongside you. And there you go, St David's College.